Hi beautiful people, you're welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? Believed you are doing great. My name is Nechefood&more. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this yummy liver sauce. So join me in the kitchen and let's make it. These are the ingredients we'll need. First, I sprinkle a tablespoon of flour to wash the liver because it helps to absorb blood. Then I transfer it to the chopping board to cut into chunks, just as I'm doing. But please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of my weekly new videos. I'm done cutting. Put in a saucepan. Add in some chopped onion. I divided the onion into two, a part for seasoning and the other to add later. Add seasoning cube, cover to simmer for 2 minutes, then add a little drop of water. We don't want to overcook the liver. While that is on the stove, let's chop the pepper and set aside. I have cut the carrot into cubes and I set it aside as well. This sauce is so yummylicious and spicy. I do enjoy it with rice or in fact with anything. Each time I crave for a spicy meal, this is exactly what I prepare. And my children do love it so much. You know, liver is so good for children. So I do make this sauce most of the time for them. You can equally use Irish potato or even green beans to make this sauce. The colors are so amazing. Let's check on the liver. It's done now, so I will transfer it to a plate to use later. Add few drops or 3 spoons of vegetable oil. You can use butter as well. Then add our remaining part of onion and give it a quick stir. Add in the smashed garlic and ginger. Stir and then add dry thyme and the powdered curry. But if you have a fresh thyme, you can use as well. Stir and introduce our liver back to the pot. This is so delicious and so yummy. We also add the carrots, and the peas. Give it a quick stir. This is so delicious. Just give it a try and you will love it. Oh my good God. Then we're gonna add our beautiful colored pepper. See how beautiful it is. This is so lovely. Then we'll add it. add the other part of the seasoning cube. Adding a pinch of salt and some paprika. While that is on the stove, mix a tablespoon of flour with water to get a runny consistency. I'll give it a quick stir and then add the mix properly, cover and allow it to simmer for a few seconds. So what more ingredients will you add to make your own? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Feel free to add a few drops of water if the sauce is too thick. Hola! The cow liver sauce is ready. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Bye and see you in my next video.